Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this Torque 345. It's a 2018 model. It's a toy hauler, of course. The Torque is known for how rugged and how strong it is. You can tell right away from our power awning right there. Of course, the 6-way leveling system got on it. Big slide out here, which is unique to this Torque. Let's go inside and show you a couple of things. A very welcoming coach right there. Gives you a home feeling really with a big fridge here. This is a residential fridge, look at that. You can fit a bear in there. Kind of joke. Yeah, you got a nice stainless steel ambiance right here. All matches up, pretty cool. Got more storage right here, which is in a way like a pantry. You got that counter space galore. I like this coach for that reason. We're gonna go into the garage. While we pass through to the garage, look at this couch, really nice, very nice view, and again, more storage. Pretty cool. Look at this door, folks. That gives it a really nice style. You walk in the garage, this keeps the fumes out. And right off the bat, we got two couches up here with a bed on top. This system is like a, like a fence around your yard in a way, but this one is gated, so you're gonna get a gate here. You can put more tables. And more a surprise here, we got another bathroom that comes in handy for if you have company with you and traffic, kids, what have you. Washer and dryer hookup comes in handy if you decide to do something like that. Nice TV hookup here ready for you. More storage on top. There is a lot to talk about this coach. Let's go in and see the bedroom. Again, this entrance on this side. Most rigs are on that side, so you can come in here into the bedroom. This is a nice layout for a bedroom where you have a closet, more storage, of course, on top. Love the shelving, all of that comes in handy. Privacy door for the bathroom in both ways, so we can go this way or that way. Which is a tub in it. Some people like enclosed shower, but this one is a tub. Maybe you have a kid or what have you. Comes in handy. More storage in it with a fan going on. Let's go outside, show you more stuff, folks. We already mentioned the big slide out right here. Outside speakers, those are waterproof, so you can listen to music inside, outside, or both. Again, the 6-way leveling system, you can't miss that. It's pretty cool. Another door, which gives it 2 doors. People like that for safety, what have you. Come around here. This is our ramp, our gate. Easy to handle. I can do it myself. I'm not a big guy. I can handle it myself. LED lights right underneath, if you can see that, with an awning. It scissors out, gives you more shade or maybe out of the rain. You got the fueling system right here. You have a fueling station. This is your vent from the inside. You can control that from the inside. Fueling station again. One more time, nice big wheels and tires. This is the slide out that we looked at in the kitchen. That comes in handy. When you see that pipe, folks, that means there is a gen in there. Another slide out, that was the bedroom slide. Torque, really, they do a good job. I know this is a short video. Give me a call if you have any questions. My name is Dib, 541-515-1237. Thank you.